ESChat secure messaging can include text and image attachments, and all messages are encrypted using AES 256. The Message tab shows a summary list of all sent and received messages. A red dot signifies unopened messages. Click on an individual message to view or reply. Messages unroll in threads, with details on the number of recipients who have both received and opened your sent messages. Reply by tapping the message box. You may include an image by selecting to take a new photo or use a pre-existing one. Select the desired photo, then tap Add. To send the message, tap the Send icon. You may also initiate a message from the Contacts, Channels, Recents, and Maps tab. We'll begin at the Contacts tab. To send a message from the Contacts tab, navigate to the Contacts tab. You may select a single contact by swiping right and selecting the message icon, or you may message multiple contacts by first highlighting, then selecting the message icon. The app will open a new or pre-existing conversation depending on your message history. To send a message from the Channels tab, navigate to the Channels tab. Swipe right on the channel you wish to message. Then select the message icon. You may now compose a message. To send a message from the Recents tab, navigate to the Recents tab. Swipe right on a recent call, then select the message icon. You may now compose a message. To send a message from the Maps tab, navigate to the Maps tab. Tap on a location icon to display the user's name. Then tap once more to reach the information screen. Then select Send Message. You may now compose a message. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.